Hellcat.
Now we will start with first exercise of second chapter. Here we have to subtract this fraction from the whole number. So while subtracting, we have to write this whole number as 2 upon 1 minus 3 upon 5. Here denominator are different, means these are unlike fractions. We have to make it like fraction. For making like fraction, we have to calculate LCM. What is the LCM of 1 and 5? It is 5. So here we want 5 as denominator. How we will get 5 here? For that we have to multiply by 5 to numerator as well as denominator. So 2 5s are 10, 1 5s are 5. Here for making it like fraction, I multiplied denominator as well as numerator by this 5. So the fraction is 10 by 5. Now here 5 is already there, so no need to change it. Now in place of 2, take this 10 upon 5 minus sign and 3 upon 5. Now both are like fractions. It is now easy to subtract. Here we have to write denominator only once. So 10 minus 3 is 7 upon 5. So our answer is 7 upon 5. Is that clear? Now the next sum is 4 plus 7 upon 8. Here also we have to write this 4 as 4 upon 1 plus 7 upon 8. Unlike fractions are there, we have to make it like fraction. For subtraction as well as addition, we have to make it like fraction first and then we have to subtract or add. So here LCM of 1 and 8 is 8. So how will we get 8 here? By multiplying it by 8, denominator and numerator. Here answer is 32 upon 8. So I have to write in place of 4, 32 upon 8 plus 7 upon 8. Now these are like fractions. I can easily add this. Write the denominator only once. 32 plus 7 is equal to 39 upon 8. So this is the answer, 39 upon 8. Now come to the next sum, 3 upon 5 plus 2 upon 7. Here both are unlike fractions. Before adding, we have to make it like fraction. So for that, calculate LCM of it. Now take the denominator of these two fractions. LCM, write 5 and 7. That is denominator of these two fractions. I have written here. Now 5 ones are 5. Here 7 as it is. And 7 ones are 7. So what is the LCM? LCM is 5 into 7. That is 35. This is how I calculate the LCM. Now I want this LCM as denominator. So how I get 35 here? Multiply this fraction by 7. So 5 7s are 35, 7 3s are 21. I get denominator as 35. Now for this fraction, again I want denominator 35. So multiply this fraction by 5. 7 5s are 35, 2 5s are 10. Now take these two fractions and add. 21 upon 35, 10 upon 35. Now denominator are equal, means they are like fractions. Add this 21 plus 10 and write denominator only once. 21 plus 10 is 31 upon 35. So that's how we get the answer. Now coming to the next sum, 9 upon 11 minus 4 upon 15. These are unlike fractions. We have to convert it into like fractions. So for that, calculate LCM. LCM of 15 and 11. So 15 is in 3's table. So 3 5s are 15. Write 11 as it is. Now for 5, 5's table is there. 5 1s are 5. Write 11 as it is. Now for 11, 11's table is there. 11 1s are 11. So LCM is 3 into 5 into 11. 3 into 5 into 11. So here LCM is 165. Means we want denominator as 165. How we will get 165? By multiplying this fraction by 15. And here 15 nines are 135. Again take this fraction 4 upon 15. Multiply this fraction by 11. Here 44. So now these are like fraction. 135 upon 165, 44 upon 165. Now it is very easy to subtract both the fractions. 135 minus 44 and write down this denominator on the ones. So here 5 minus 4 is 1, 13 minus 4 is 9 and 165. So the answer is 91 upon 165. Let's move to the next sum. Now coming to the next sum, 7 upon 10 plus 2 upon 5 plus 3 upon 2. Here 3 fractions are there. These are unlike fractions. We have to convert it into like fractions. So first of all, for converting into like fraction, we have to find out LCM. LCM of 10, 5 and 2. 10, 5 and 2. Let us see in which table these numbers lies. So 10 is in 2's table. So 2 5s are 10. 5 is not in 2's table. So write as it is. Now 2 1s are 2. Here 5 is there. So in 5's table 5 1s are 5. Here also 5 1s are 5. Now quotient is 1. You have to stop here. LCM is 2 into 5, that is 10. Now we want this LCM as denominator. Here already 10 is there, so no need to do anything. For this fraction we want this 10 as denominator. So multiply this fraction by 2. 2 2s are 4, 5 2s are 10. Now for this fraction, we want 10 here. So multiply it by 5. 3 5s are 15. 2 5s are 10. Now here 10. Here also denominator 10. And here also denominator is 10. Now these are like fractions. It is now very easy to add these fractions. So first fraction is 10 upon 10, 7 upon 10 plus second is 4 upon 10 plus 15 upon 10. 7 plus 4 plus 15. Write denominator only once. Now the 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 15 is 26 upon 10. So now we can simplify it. That is, divide 26 by 10. 10 to the 20. Here 2 is whole part, 6 is remainder, and write denominator as it is. So our answer is 2 and 6 upon 10. Or we can write as these two numbers lies in 2's table. So 2 5s are 10, 2 13s are 26. So we can write as 13 upon 5 also. This is also correct answer. This is also correct answer. So let us move to the next sum. 2 and 2 upon 3 plus 3 and 1 upon 2. These are mixed fraction. For addition, we have to convert it into improper fraction. So first of all, convert it into improper fraction. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 upon 3 plus, again 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 upon 2. Now these are improper fractions. We have to add this, but these are unlike fraction. First convert it into like fraction. Now LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. So we want 6 as denominator. So multiply this fraction by 2. 8 2s are 16, 3 2s are 6. Now take this fraction. We want 6 as denominator. So multiply it by 3. Answer is 21 upon 6. Now we got two fractions, 16 upon 6 and 21 upon 6. Now it is very easy to add these two fractions. No need to write it twice, only you can write it once. 16 plus 21, 37 upon 6. So this is improper fraction. We can convert it into mixed fraction. So divide 37 by 6. 6 6 are 36. 7 minus 6 is 1. So whole number is 6. This one. Remainder is 1. And this is our denominator. So your answer is 6 and 1 upon 6. You can write your answer like this, or you can simplify it. Let us move to the next sum. The next sum is 8½ minus 3 and 5 upon 8. Again mixed fraction. We have to convert it into improper fraction. For conversion, multiply this 8 by 2. 8 2s are 16, and then add this 1. 16 plus 1 17. Write denominator as it is. Minus sign. 3 into 8 24. 24 plus 5 29. So 29 upon 8. I have written denominator as it is. Now these are unlike fractions. We have to convert it into like fractions. For this LCM, both numbers are in twos table. So 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. Again 2 twos are 4. Again 2 ones are 2. So LCM is 2 into 2 into 2. 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8. LCM is 8. Means we want 8 as a denominator. Here already 8 is there. So no need to multiply here. Only we have to multiply this fraction to obtain 8. So multiply it by 4. 4 twos are 8. Here we got the denominator 8. Here 68. 17 fours are 68. Now in place of this fraction, write down 68 upon 8 minus sign 29 upon 8 means 68 minus 29 upon 8. Here 9. Now this is improper fraction. We can convert it into mixed fraction. 39 divided by 8. 8 fours are 32. 7 remainder. So 4 is whole number. 7 is remainder. Write denominator as it is. So answer is 4 and 7 upon 8. So is that clear? This is the first question of exercise number 1.